Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to enable safe mode on chess.com using your computer. So, if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for chess.com. And now, just go ahead and log in your account. And if you don't have one, just go ahead and create one by clicking the sign up button. And now, let's get started. So first, you want to click on settings here at the lower left side of your screen and click on privacy. And now here at the lowest part of the privacy, you can see a safe mode. So you need to toggle the switch on. And if you don't know what safe mode is, it means that it prevents social interaction by disabling messages, chat, and comments. So now just go ahead and click save to save your action. And if you want to disable safe mode, just go ahead and toggle the switch off and again click on save. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.